So ChatGPT is actually an AI tool, and in this video I'm actually going to share with you how you're going to be able to make money online with ChatGPT. So if you're new here, just give this video a thumbs up and then share it to your friends in order to make them know how they're going to be able to make money online too, and that is pretty much very cool. So ChatGPT is actually an AI tool, and its knowledge is actually capped to only 2021, which means after 2022, whatever you're going to ask ChatGPT about 2022 and 2023, it's not going to be able to tell you. But with its knowledge being up to 2021, it still has a lot it can share with us. So I actually created a blog post with ChatGPT, and then I was really overwhelmed by how the AI tool sent everything to me. So it's actually made my work very, very easy because I just sat down to just proofread it and then just posted it back on my blog, and it's actually gaining me a little bit of views, even though my website is actually very new. Talking about a website, you probably will be, how am I going to create a website? In my next video, I'm actually going to show you how you're going to be able to create a blog site with Blogger, which is something I've been able to sit down and then do it detailed and then step by step. So in case you find any difficulties too, just let me know in the comment section of that video and I'm going to assist you. And after you are done creating your blog, you're going to be able to just monetize it in like 2 weeks, because that was the time frame I used in order to monetize my blog too. So what you're going to do is you create about 10 articles or 10 blog posts on a website, and then you apply for the AdSense. And after you apply for the AdSense, Google is actually going to go through your website and then they are going to approve you for AdSense, and you're going to start earning money. So once you are approved, that is when ChatGPT comes in play. So this is where you are going to be able to create a lot of articles to your audience in order to get a lot of traffic coming to your website. And that means a lot of traffic coming to your website means a lot of money. So I'm going to go to my laptop and then share with you how I did this and then how it's actually going to help me, because it's even the early stages and I just don't want to keep this alone. So I want to share with you so that you guys are going to have this at your fingertips. And after I'm done sharing with you the video on how you're going to be able to create a website, you can easily create yours and also start making some money. So let's go to the laptop. Now, this is where I created my blog, and I used blogger.com right here, and then this is the back end of where my content is being produced. So when you check out this content right here, I actually created it with ChatGPT, and it was just very, very clean and basic. So I just typed in this one right here, ChatGPT versus Google, and then it just created everything it's supposed to create for me. So I'm just going to show you how it did it. I'm sure the article is actually going to be different because it's not going to repeat itself per what I know. In case maybe you tell it to rephrase it for you, it's actually going to generate a new thing altogether, and that is pretty much very cool. So you can see it's typing everything for me word by word, and it probably will change something or tweak something per how the article is. How ChatGPT works is very, very cool. So I'm just going to type in tell me more, and then it would actually just respond to me like it's a conversation. So let's see, I type in tell me more, and it will tell me a little bit more about ChatGPT, and that is pretty much very cool. So with this one right here, you can put in any article like you feel you want to write depending on your niche, and then you can put in more articles, and then that is going to really help you. So when you check out right here, you see my blog, you can see that I have a little bit of articles being drafted, and then this one right here, I actually made ChatGPT helped me a little bit, and then you can just pump in a little bit of more articles. But sometimes when you try to just type in something specific, like let's say 1 + 11, it will probably tell you it wouldn't be able to assist you with a specific content. But when you give it a broad topic, it will do very well for you, and that is one thing I have noticed about ChatGPT. So in case maybe you want to start something, like I said, just go straight to the app and then just type in whatever you feel like you want to type, or whatever content you feel like you create. Most often you type something about it. So let's say I'm going to type in something like weight loss right here, and it's actually going to tell me something. Let me just weight loss journey, and ChatGPT will just share with me something. So you talk about something which is more in depth about weight loss, you can put in the topic you feel you talk about. Let's say let me just try this thing right here, keto, and then we are going to see if ChatGPT is actually going to talk about it. So keto is something ChatGPT recognizes, and you can create a lot of articles, not just one article with this one right here. So you can create a lot of articles with ChatGPT actually assisting you, and that is really, really going to help you. I think this is one of the dopest tools a lot of people shouldn't really sleep on. And trust me, if you are able to just use ChatGPT very well, like how I'm showing you guys, it's really going to help you. So when you check out right here the stats of my website, you can see I don't really have a lot of traffic. You can see last month I had 3,634 people visiting the website. I've been monetized on this website, and I can show you with proof, because when I go to the website, let me just try this ChatGPT thing I actually did, and you guys are going to see the ads being popping up on the screens, and that is going to show you that this website have actually been monetized, and it's really, really dope. And trust me, you trying to create a blog right here will help you in your daily lives, and then make some autopilot money while you just sleep. Like how I'm sharing with you, ChatGPT is actually going to assist you to get a lot of people coming to your website, because you are going to create a lot of content, and the more you create content, the more money you get, because the more people see these ads right here, like this one right here. This is ads by Google. You can see right here, I'm just going to show you. So you can see ads by Google, meaning have been monetized. And when I scroll down here, so I'm going to see a lot more right here, and that means the website is being monetized. So I'm going to share with you a video on how you're going to be able to create your website, and anything you feel like you want to know on how to create this website, you can leave the question under the comments of that video, because I'm ready to assist you guys so that you're going to be able to make your autopilot money. But with this tip I've shared with you right here, after you're done creating your website, just use this tip. In case you have a website or a blog already, to just use this tip, and it's actually going to assist you make at least $20 to $100 in a day per how you create your blogs, and that is pretty much very cool. The more blogs you post, like I said, the more money you're going to make. So if this was helpful, just like it up and also share with your friends. In case you want to know how you're going to be able to get more money online, just subscribe to the channel and then make a date, or any ideas you feel you want to know, just state in the comment section of any video, and I'm just going to assist you. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.